The first thing you can say is, I'm currently employed in the something field as a something. The second thing you can say is, my responsibilities include plus verb ing. The next thing you can talk about is how you feel about your job. And you could say something positive or you could say something negative. It's really up to you. And finally, to finish off the answer, you can talk about the future. So let's quickly look at that answer one more time. So I'm currently employed in the IT field, working as a software developer. This is step 1. My responsibilities include ... This is step 2. I really enjoy the work ... This is step 3. This is how we feel. And then finally, we talk about the future. I don't have any plans to change jobs ... So let's look at another example using this structure. I am currently employed in the education field as an English teacher. So this is the first step. Now we need to talk about our responsibilities. My responsibilities include preparing, look how we've got that verb ing, lesson plans, teaching grammar, and helping students improve their reading and writing skills. Now we need to say how we feel. I really enjoy the work because it's fulfilling to see my students make progress. And then finally, we need to talk about the future. And although I enjoy the job, I'm planning to change roles in the near future.